Some people even call them rebels.
This is what all the fuss is about. It's like snow surfing.
Sweet.
Straight out of backside.
But get real.
Leading Peak juts out of Anvil Island, prominently visible from several points along Highway 99, the Sea to Sky Highway, across the water from Porto Cove. Good morning. We are on the shores of Howe Sound on a beautiful sunny Saturday, and we're going to head across into open water because we're crossing over from Porto Cove to Anvil Island, and we're paddling 2 pack rafts and 2 stand-up paddle boards. It's going to be a test of our upper body strength. Time to put the work in with the shoulders.
Well, you can't surf them, that's for sure. We got, I think, afternoon calm setting in a bit. We're pretty lucky that we delayed our departure. I got plans to rip over there and climb that big rock.
There's the smell of barbecues wafting in the air from everyone's picnic down here at Porto Cove. And I think we're finally ready, like a herd of cats.
There goes all my sunscreen.
Nadine, how does it feel to be paddling on Howe Sound?
It's so fun. Beautiful. I'm so happy to be here.
You made it. How was the paddle?
It was a long one. It was over 5 Ks according to my watch.
How long did it take?
An hour and a half.
Nice. The paddle over was fun. The weather is absolutely beautiful today. It's one of the first hot weekends of the year, and I'm surprised to see so much traffic. There's a lot of people in boats, float planes going by, sailboats, and we didn't see any orca whales, but it's just gorgeous to be on Howe Sound. And fun fact, Anvil Island is the 3rd largest island in Howe Sound, and it was named by George Vancouver when he sailed here because it looked like the shape of an anvil.
Smart girl. Go quick.
Capitol Hill, yeah.
The hike up Leading Peak is very steep and fairly relentless until you are about 2/3 the way up. Then it wraps around the back before climbing up slabs and ledges to the top. What a leg workout.
Good job, everyone.
I didn't do it. There's more coming. I did get a little squish.
Cheers. Oh, that's good. I missed red wine. That is damn good. The wine is from my private cellar, Soyuz La Rose Petal 2015.
Your cellar.
Yes, my cellar, my private collection, and it is smooth and very delicious. This is one of the best views I've ever seen in this whole area. And it's because the peak drops off so much on all sides, the prominence, and being surrounded by water. That's another part of it. Look at all these snow-capped peaks. Garibaldi. There's Lapworth. All of the Howsound Crest. Brunswick. Harvey. Cypress. Wow. Just spectacular. It was calm when we got up here, but the wind is really picking up now. And we happen to be in a fairly exposed location on top of this mountain. Hopefully the gusts don't get too bad. We've moved off of the top of Leading Peak down to this nice little sheltered nook just below the summit on the east side, and I think we have the best spot on the whole mountain because the exposed camp spots on the top are not the place to be tonight. And I'm quite happy where we are. We've got trees all around us. Well, that was a very windy night. The wind just roaring around these trees in this peak. I got about half an hour of sleep last night. So a very beautiful location, but not the best place to be in very windy weather. So we're gonna head down.
We're making French toast. So we're trying this thing for the first time. French toast in the backcountry. So carried some milk, 2 eggs, some cinnamons, a little bit of vanilla, and let's see if it works.
I can smell the cinnamon. Can you?
It's the first model.
So we fueled up on French toast for lunch, and now the final part of our journey begins. We have to paddle all the way back across to the mainland from Anvil Island. And the wind is a lot stronger than yesterday, so it's going to be a test of our fitness and toughness. Let's go. We were just on top of that last night.
afternoon. 7K.
So total yesterday and today we did 5 plus 7?
Yeah.
That's 15.
5 plus 7 is 15.
It's not 15.
So we did 12K paddling total.
It's not 15?
All in all, it was a great trip, enjoyed by all 4 of us. It's always fun to explore a new place you've never been before.